very glad about this one. Alright guys, starting this vlog off with better energy. I'm going out to ship off my first round of Depop packages. Very exciting. The whole process was kind of therapeutic. I was kind of like letting it intimidate me, but I had a lot of fun packaging orders, so more of that coming soon. And then I'll give you guys the full haul of what I actually ended up picking up from the thrift store in last vlog. I'll do a whole little try on, but got a busy day of filming and stuff, so gonna go do some errands in my errands outfit. It's freaking 21 degrees outside today. It's already getting cold. Told you guys fall's coming. Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if it's only Canada that has that really disgusting hand sanitizer that kind of smells like tequila. Remind us all of bad nights. That's what I'm smelling like right now. I need to get some more of my own personal, but is that a Canadian thing? Let me know. Which is like the common soy milk, almond milk brand, because obviously we all probably already know by now oat milk is apparently better for the environment than almond milk, even though I kind of like almond milk because you get like the protein with it and it's not as fatty. I feel like I could be wrong. I accidentally bought sweetened oat milk and this is like a freaking Dunkin' Donuts treat right now, so I guess I'm just gonna enjoy it. I got my packages shipped out. I'm washing the next drop of Depop stuff. It's still kind of like summery. Some of it's really cute and like can be transitioned into fall. So I want to get that up. Hopefully, I think it'll already be up by the time you guys are seeing this vlog. So make sure you guys are following me on Depop and on Instagram, because I'm going to always announce on Instagram when I'm doing new drops and stuff like that. Okay, so I mentioned in the last vlog that I like never get packages because I don't like to say yes to things that I know I'm not going to use, but this brand actually sent me some stuff and it's like really nice sustainable basics. We are Foundationals, an LA-based startup focused on producing responsibly made, effortless styles for modern-day women like you. The Easy Does It tanks are 100% something OTS certified organic cotton, which was locally grown, milled, and produced in California. We can't wait to see you in Foundationals. Love the Foundationals team. So cute. Okay, we have a little tie-up top. Really super cute. It's ribbed. And the skirt. Ooh, that's such a cute skirt. I hope it's gonna fit over my butt. Yes, guys, pink. I saw these tank tops and I was like, sign me right up. So they're very similar to like a lot of things that you'll see bloggers wearing these days. But these ones are sustainable and ethically made. So we got the pink, white, and the black. And they're like nice little ribbed casual tanks. So thank you so much to them. I love supporting brands doing good things, you guys. And those are things I'm actually gonna wear. I'll probably like try stuff on later for you guys when I do my thrift haul, or I'm probably just gonna wear one of those things if I happen to leave my house anytime soon. But yeah, I just woke up feeling so unmotivated. Like I feel like it's already 1, and I told myself I had to finish that video I was working on yesterday because it is sponsored. With sponsored videos, they have to be approved by the brand usually like 2 days before you want to go live at least, and I want to go live on Sunday and I just don't think it's gonna work, and I'm just kind of like already down on myself. Hopefully something will turn around. I'm trying not to be too hard on myself. I am gonna get my period, so usually the couple weeks before that I'm just very like in a negative headspace. And I was actually watching Natalie Barbu's vlog and she was saying the same thing, how her moods go from being like so negative and so down on yourself and like not encouraged or motivated to like feeling okay, and then to feeling super motivated the week after. And that's me, except for I get like 2 weeks of the negative aspect, which kind of sucks. If I ever seem like quiet or more shy and more down on myself, you know what time of the month it is. I think I'm gonna go make another iced coffee like the one I made yesterday because it was really good, and I feel like my body can use the sugar right now, so I'll keep you guys posted. Getting the third coffee of the day. Love a productive Thursday afternoon. Oh, there's toppings. It's so cute. Okay, we traveled down to get oat milk ice cream.
It's so good. It's so good.
That's really good. It is Friday. I was planning on doing like a whole bunch of nothing today, but that was not gonna happen. So I'm just about to head out to a shopping area that's like outdoors, and I need to get birthday gifts because I'm so behind on that. All my friends that had birthdays in quarantine, but I need to go find a gift. So I think I'm gonna go to Sephora. I'm very curious as to what it'll be like there. I don't really know how Sephora works right now. Like, how do I smell things? How do I know if I want things? You know what I mean? I just got the email saying that they launched the Necessaire products, which Devin Carlson heavily endorses. So, you know, we trust her. We very much value her opinion. So if she's trying to scam us all, I will let you know, but I highly doubt that's the case. Yeah, I really want to try out their body soap because I've just been like feeling like indulging in nice body products recently. Maybe it's because I'm getting old and I have wrinkles now, and I don't want to talk about it, but I'll take you guys with me. This is the outfit. Very simple, very simple. The sports bra is from Organic Basics, which you guys would have seen in Sunday's video. So freaking comfortable. I wish I got the bike shorts because I would be wearing those if I had them, but I only have the leggings and it's like still a little too hot for that, so let's go. Word of advice, don't try and wear a mask and AirPods at the same time. Almost lost one of these. They didn't have it, sadly. I guess it was too quick, but now I need to think of another idea, and I don't know, it's just weird being shopping. I don't want to buy things for myself, but that is not the goal. Guys, if you know, you know. Very sad, they were supposed to open in Toronto this summer. Let me know what happened there. Now I'm just sitting in this park and no one else is here. It's very peaceful. I feel like I need to do this more often. They're literally surrounding me. Oh my god, he's behind me. Cameraman B. We're gonna relocate. They're literally surrounding me. Maybe this is why no one is here. Frick. I figured while we're out here in kind of the calm, peace and quiet, I would share with you guys what I picked up for my friend. So I kind of decided to go for like the back to school theme because I realized she is going back to school. And they have all these great like sustainable, reusable products there. So I got her this Stojo in like this lilac color because she's very much into the pastel gal, and these are really great. I have my own one and I absolutely love them. They're collapsible. You can use them for hot or cold drinks. She can get her chai tea in that. And then I found these really cute recyclable pens made out of wheat straw. whatever that means. And I got her a planner, which I thought was really cute. She's very into the floral moment, so I hope she gets to use this one and loves it. And yeah, they just had a ton of good like gift stuff there, so honestly gonna go back for like all the other birthdays that I need to catch up on, but it felt good getting this because I freaking love giving gifts, guys. It's just a great feeling. I have to eat something and then finish up this video that you guys would have seen on Sunday. I just need to do a couple edits. Thankfully the brand was good with it, so we love that. We love a simple revision, one and done upload. Still working, but just ordered some dinner from one of my favorite places. It's called Impact Kitchen. Load up, kind of, because our friends are coming over to watch the Raptors game at a distant length. But first I want to try this hack that I saw on TikTok with my new disposable camera. Cover. Oh, did you guys see that? I can see myself. Now I can't. Oh, now I can. Yeah. That was probably very cringy, but we will see in about a month's time.
Take the platform we have and this opportunity to spread a message we think is worth sharing and worth fighting for, be aware of or understand the reality of. And so to be raised with that perspective and to understand and appreciate what it means to have a vote and to be a part of a democracy where your opinion matters is invaluable. Like it's taken for granted, I think, a lot.
Watching all these vlogs, you would have seen that I ordered these press-on nails from a girl in Toronto. She does custom press-ons and I think they're like 35 bucks, so pretty affordable, and they're so freaking cute. I may or may not have peeled off my gel manicure, so it seemed like a good time to do this. And I feel like it'd be really good to like pop my pimples because these like randomly sprouted up overnight, so we're good to go. I kind of look rough every week. It's rougher and rougher over here. I did want to share with you guys what I thrifted last week. No, Monday? Was that this week? Whoa. But I feel like it was about a week ago and I never really showed you guys like the haul on. I kind of showed you at the thrift store, but I didn't end up getting everything because the prices at Valley Village are effed up. I got what I thought I really wanted and like things that I could post on Depop. So the first little item is just this cute butterfly t-shirt. I just cropped it myself because that's what I do best, but it's just super cute. It's got like the cap sleeves, just a little graphic. So then we have this little Champion t-shirt, which I just thought was really cute. I haven't picked up anything Champion in so long because obviously the moment is kind of past, but I just really liked the fit of this t-shirt. It doesn't even need to be cropped because it hits at like a very nice length with like the whole new trend of kind of lower jeans. I know, kind of partaking in that trend. Didn't see that one coming, but I thought it was really cute, just the color of the font, the short sleeves. I need your guys' help on this one. It is a cute little button-up vest scenario that I actually found in the kids section. It was new with tags, and it's like a really nice corduroy material. Loving the color for fall, but it's got this like little floral embellishment. No, that's not the word. Whatever you would call it. My brain is so foggy today from being out in the sun. But should I crop this to be like more, I'm not a teeny bopper, and like crop it there, or should I just leave it because it is kind of cute? Like it's not too in your face, and I feel like the colors are nice for fall. I just don't really know what to do. So leave me your suggestions on this one down below. I also said in the vlog that I was gonna crop this one because as you can see, it like is ruched and cinched here and then just plain up at the top, and I kind of think I still do want to crop it. My sister was like, no, just wait, like see what it looks like. But I feel like this will be more kind of like cropped sweater vest vibe for fall. I don't know, I really like the colors of it though. Like this army green or like kind of forest green and brown are gonna be like the two colors for fall. So I was very stoked when I found this. I just don't know what I should do with it. Okay, so this top I was so stoked to find. I found it like while we were waiting for the cash, and it's got that like new trendy tie up the front scenario going on here, which I was kind of surprised to know it was a vintage trend, because this is definitely a vintage top. Got some loose threads there I'll definitely have to fix. But this is definitely more summer, so I'm gonna have to get some good wear out of it now. I'm just wearing it with my Organic Basics bralette, which is like the most comfy thing in the entire world. I will have my discount code linked down below for you guys if you're still interested in getting some good, sustainable, ethical basics. They're honestly the softest, but yeah, I just think this is so nice. Now that I've got a little bit of a tan on finally in August, I am excited to wear this. So this dress I am so excited about. It was new with tags, and it's just this really, oh, almost tripped over my slippers. Don't need those for this look, that's for sure. It's just a really pretty, flattering, keyhole, open neck, stretchy dress. So do I have anywhere to wear this to anytime soon? Definitely not, but since it is like stretchy, comfy material, I feel like I could dress it down in some way maybe. I just, you know, whenever I see a good like little black dress that looks like it's gonna fit, I tend to pick it up, especially if it's a good price. So very glad about this one. And also got this cute little green canvasy mini bag that has the butterfly on it. Definitely wouldn't wear these two things together, but just a super cute little thing that I thought I would mention. And I also did pick up those brown pants that were in the vlog. These like really nice trousers, but sadly they are too small, so they will be on my Depop. So the thrift haul is done. But I want to mention to you guys this brand. I sent over a package, which is super sweet, of this tie-dye sweatsuit, which, can you believe it guys? I did not have a single tie-dye sweatsuit throughout quarantine. So I feel like my quarantine wardrobe is officially complete now that we're probably gonna be going into fall. Sadly, I hate to say it, I really hate to say it. I feel like the Old Navy commercials like in July, but it has been getting chillier in the nights here, so this will be really nice to have and wear. The pants fit super well. They're actually like the perfect amount of high-waisted. They have pockets, which is great, and I just really like how it's like a light blue with blue tie-dye over top. So thank you so much for them sending this over. They're ethically made. They make a lot of charitable donations for every purchase made as well, and they're local. So I will link it down below, and just thought I would share it with you guys. Pics. What I did this time instead of what I did in my video was I just rolled my vlog camera, and I'm gonna take screenshots of the items now, because I was realizing just with the camera and like posing and everything, it was eating up so much storage on my phone, and I just wasn't getting the results that I wanted. Yeah, I think this is honestly gonna be a much more efficient way, because you can post Depop from your computer now. That is currently what I am doing, and I think I'm just gonna do smaller drops of like 7 pieces, because it's a lot easier for me to manage than like doing this full time. So you guys will see. I'll have a couple pieces up like right now as I'm talking, and then hopefully I'll have more new pieces, the rest of what I was going to shoot, up when this vlog goes up. So make sure you guys are following me on Depop. But yeah, this is going to be it for the vlog. Hopefully you guys will see this in a couple days. Got a lot to get done, but should be manageable. So I will see you guys then.